Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Suraj. In this video, we are going to discuss about combo box in Visual Basics. So let's get started. So what is combo box? Combo box is a control which is used to display drop-down list of various items. It is combination of text box in which user enters an item and a drop-down list from user select an item. So we can add item to the combo box with the help of two properties. First one is list and second one is add item. Uh, so this is our VB application, and uh, I want to add a combo box in that. So this is combo box, and I want to add some item to the this combo box. So with the help of list property we can do that. So this is our list property. Suppose BCA and MCA. These two I add. See, the code is working perfectly. So now we see how to add item to the combo box with the help of add item property. So this is our form. I want when the form is get loads, the items get add to the combo box. So I am going to write the code to the form load property event form load event. So combo box 1 combo 1 dot add item. I want to add BCA, then combo 1 dot add item MCA. So now we see the code is working or not. Yeah, this is perfectly working. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.